Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. This is grade 5th math. In today's video, let us learn the topic circles. This is page number 125, chapter 7. Is a circle a polygon? No. A circle is a closed figure made up of a curved lines. Take a quick recap of the study of circles in the previous class. Okay, so this is a circle. Circle is a closed figure made up of curved lines. Parts of a circle. Here is the parts of a circle. First point, circumference. Okay, so your first point is circumference. It is the distance around the circle. Okay, so circumference it is the distance around the circle. Next, second point, radius. The distance between the center and any point on the circumference. Plural of radius is radii. For example, xy and xb. Okay, for example, xy and xb. Okay. Third one, diameter. The line passing through the center joining any two points on the circumference is the diameter. The line passing through the center joining any two points on the circumference is the diameter. It is double the radius. For example, it is double the radius. For example, AXB. AXB. Fourth one, chord. The distance between one point of the circumference to another point of the circumference. Distance between one point of the circumference to the another point of the circumference. It may or may not pass through the center. It may or may not pass through the center. For example, UV. See, UV. It may or may not pass through the center. For example, UV. Fifth one, arc. A part of the circumference of a circle is called an arc. A part of the circumference of a circle is called an arc. It is named by 3 points. Okay, so arc has given the name by 3 points. For example, RST. Arc. RST. ST. Sixth point, interior and exterior of a circle. Interior and exterior of a circle. The area enclosed by the circumference is called the interior of the circle. The area enclosed by the circumference is called the interior of the circle. The area outside the circumference is called the exterior of the circle. Okay, seventh one, semicircle. Seventh one is semicircle. Points A, B. Points A and B divides the circle into two equal arcs. Okay, point A and B divides the circle into two equal arcs. Each of the arcs is called a semicircle. Each of the arcs is called a semicircle. Turn your page, page number 126, exercise 7.7. First bit, answer the following question. First one, how many radii can you draw in one given circle? Okay, so how many radii can you draw in one given circle? Infinite. Answer is infinite. Second one, how many diameters can you draw in one given circle? Infinite diameters we can draw in one given circle. So answer is infinite. C, is diameter a chord? Yes. Answer is yes. Diameter is a chord. D, is chord a diameter? No. Answer is no. What is the relationship of a radius and diameter in a given circle? Diameter equals to 2 into radius. Diameter equals to 2 into radius. So this is the first bit. Second bit, fill in the blanks. Second bit is 1. There is only one dash in a circle. There is only one center in a circle. See this, there is only one center in a circle. B, the distance around a circle is called dash. So the distance around a circle is called circumference. C. And dash is named by 3 points. An arc is named by 3 points. D. Half of a circle is called a dash. Half of a circle is called a semicircle. Half of a circle is called a semicircle. This is exercise 7.7, first and second bit. Okay. So in the next class, I will be doing the continuation of the remaining concept. Okay. So in today's class, we have learned about the circles and parts of a circle. I hope you understood today's class. Thank you.